This is why you need a parrot in your life. Let's explore their vibrant world. First up, macaws. These large, colourful geniuses are known for their strong beaks and stunning plumage. Next, cockatoos. With their charming crests, these affectionate birds are social butterflies. Meet conures, small, energetic and full of playful antics. African grey parrots are the brainiacs, mimicking human speech like prose. Amazon parrots, talkative and vividly green. Lovebirds, tiny, colourful, and the ultimate cuddle buddies. Well, don't forget parakeets, small, playful and popular pets. Cockatiels are friendly companions with stylish crests. Check out eclectus parrots, with males in green and females in red and purple. Lorikeets are nectar-loving and oh-so-vocal. The calm and quiet poicephalus, with their robust green bodies. And finally, Pionus parrots, colourful and serene. Parrots come in all shapes, sizes and colours, making each one a unique feathered friend.